What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I just had my first ocean stripe bass of 2020. Looks like the spring run is starting early this year, just like it did on the North Shore. So yeah, I ended up catching it on a small soft plastic, which is not something I would normally throw in the ocean surf. But the wind was pretty calm today. The surf is pretty flat, so I was able to work a small soft plastic. And yeah, I'm pretty excited that I now have caught on both shores, and it's, you know, first week of April, so that's pretty cool. Enjoy. All right, early morning on the outgoing, using a black SP minnow. Cool. Got some clear water tonight. So this is great. I got my lure stuck. April 5th is not nice water temperatures. Okay. Wow, that's cold. That is cold. Try to kick my lure off it. There we go. Free. Wow, that was cold. That was cold. All right, I got a really small teaser and a swim shad on. You know, the tins weren't working, surprisingly. So we're gonna use some soft plastics in the surf. There we go. There we go. Surprised to hit the swim shad on the South Shore. Really tiny dink. They're hitting like right up on the shore. Now I'm not even casting that far out, just behind the front sandbar. And I'm just letting the soft plastic sink to the bottom and then just kind of horizontally working it in.
Alright guys, links to all the gear I'm using in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.